Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with the unboxing of the Coffee Monsterz Co. Advent for 2022. Yeah, it's late. I actually got this for a Christmas present from one of my friends. You know who you are, thank you very much. Absolutely love it, and I have no idea what it is yet. I have seen a couple of the days sneaked already, so yeah, but I don't know which day is which. So we're going to delve into this. So day one, I am guessing is washi tape because it says so. I love this little box. I think it's so cute. Do not iron. Do not dry clean. And then I like this. This is not a barcode. As you can tell, I'm still not very well. So this is so super cute. Look, I like this one with the little clock. He's super frazzled. It's very self-carey themed. Super cute. Then I got for day two, which is, I'm not sure where, day two. Day two is this little cute one here. Let's see if I can peel this off without ruining the underneath. Just, what do we have in day two? Oh, this is cute. Yeah, I've seen this. This is the little bookmark, magnetic bookmark, sunny day. That's so cute. I like that. Put that back in there. I like this packaging too. You can totally reuse that. Day three. Where's day three? Day three is this one. I've ripped it. Oh, we've got two little sheets of stickers. We've got one that has got like a foily overlay, holographic overlay, sparkle sheet. It says breathe in, breathe out, take it slow, and no. And then some skincare doodles, like those. Day four is this little. Oh, how cute is he? I have one of these already from last year, I think it is, but it was a panda, so this one's a little bear, little charm. That's cute, like that. Day five, we've got washi, and it looks to be sweetie themed. Oh, this is the one with the donuts, cookies, cupcakes. Oh, I love this. I'm definitely going to be using this, and like sprinkles. That's cool. Then we have day six, which is this long. I love the paper. Look at this, with a little lemon. And we have, ooh, this is pretty. Okay, so we have like a pencil case. Oh, I'm going to put my charm on the end of this. I like that. That's cute, and I like the colour too. It's like a pinky browny colour. Then we have day seven, which are these cute little self-growth sticky notes. I like the fact that he's got the little sprout at the top of his head. I think it's so cute. And day eight is another washi tape, and this one's got a carrot on the front. So, oh, this is called the little vegetables and fruits. Oh, I'm super happy with this. Broccoli, because this is something I need to do, is up my fruit and veg. So, definitely get some use out of that one. Day nine. What's day nine? Oh, this is the cute. Okay, this is the. I've seen this. This is the file folder, and it's like a house, and then you've got a pocket here, and a pocket here, and a pocket here. That's cute. Bit of a random size, but yeah. And then the last day, but before we get to the last day, the only one thing I will say that is quite disappointing about this is I know she's primarily stickers and washi tape shop, and for this I kind of feel there isn't enough stickers. I just feel like you know, she could do so much more with her stickers. That's the only thing. Don't come at me, but yeah. So for day 10 we have washi tape duo, and we've got a self-carey nighttime themed blue one, and the emoji heads, they're cute. They're really nice, I like those. So yeah, that's the Coffee Monsterz advent calendar. I can't remember how much it was, to be honest. Like I said, my friend bought it me for Christmas. So yeah, all in all, I will definitely use these up. They are really cute, and I like the little packaging. I'm going to salvage some of this. So yeah, that's the advent calendar. Thanks for watching. Bye.